Today in this video I am going to explain you how to do the prime factorization by factor tree method. So this is the easiest method of doing prime factorization of any number. So let me explain you what is a factorization. Factorization means writing any number as a product of its factor. So let us take the example. I'll take number 12. So you have to write the number 12 as a product means multiplication of its factor. So I can write 4 3s are 12, 1 12s are 12. So here 4 and 3 both numbers are called as what? Factors of 12. It means what? If we divide the number 12 by 4 and 3, you will get the remainder 0. It means what? There will be no remainder. Then only we can say that 4 and 3 are factors of 12. Like that you can have many factors of 12. 6 2s are 12 and so on. But prime factors means only prime numbers you have to take. 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. So 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. And prime factorization means you are writing here 4 into 3. But instead of 4, you have to use only prime numbers to write the product of factors to indicate the given number. So let us take the number. Same number we'll take. Now we are written like this. Here we are written the factors. But here it is not a prime factor. So now we'll see here. So start with the prime number. So 2 is a prime number and we can divide 12 with 2 because 2 6 are 12. So 2 6 are 12. Once you got here prime number, stop and spread this 6. So 2 we can divide with 6 we can divide with 2, isn't it? Even it is divisible by 3. So you can take any factor. So 2 here you can put into sign. 2 into 2 3s are 6. So here also prime number, here also prime number. So stop here. So now see 12 how I will write. Only take prime numbers. Skip this 6. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 is a 12. Yes. So this is called as what? Prime factorization. When we write any number as a product of only prime factors. Now let us take few more examples. I will take number 36. So 36 is divisible by 2. Why? Because last digit is 6. It means we can divide this number completely by 2. So say the table of 2 till it comes 36. But we will memorize the table of 2 till 10s are. 2 10s are 20. So what we'll do? 36 will divide with 2. So we'll get what you have to get here. 2 into how much will be 36. 2 1s are 2. 1 remain. 6 will take 2 8s are 16. 0. So 2 18s are will be 36. Then children see this is divisor, this is quotient. When we get the remainder as 0, it means these both are factors of 36. 2 18s or you can write 18 2s are, or you can take some other number. Let us take 4 9s also you can take. So here we got the prime number. So we will stop here. But we will spread this 3 from the 18. So again 18 comes in table of 2, so it is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. If you want you can put into sign, otherwise you can skip it. So as we got here prime number, we'll stop, but here we will continue. 9 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now see here also you got prime, here also you got the prime number. Now we have to stop here. Now write 36. Only take prime numbers, do not take composite numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. See children, if you multiply these all numbers, definitely you should get 36 here. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So this is called as prime factorization. And here I have shown you, this is called as what? Normal factorization. 36 you can factorize as 9 4s are, because 9 and 4 are factors of 36, but they are not prime factors. So in prime factorization we have to include only prime numbers. So now I'll take one 3-digit number. So let us take any 3-digit number, whichever you want. So I would like to take 135. 135. So see which are the factors of 135 in which table it comes. Suppose you are finding difficult, then you can use the test of divisibility. See, as the last number is 5, so it is divisible by 5. So 5 into something will be 135. So you can find out this number easily because we know the table it is 50. 5 tens are 50. Divide by 5. So here 1 is less than 5. So we'll put here 0 in the quotient. We'll take double digit. Don't take 3 digit. So suppose it is not divisible, then only you go for next digit. So 5 2s are 10 because 13 do not come in table of 5. So here 3 and here 5. Then 5 7s are 35. So as get here, we got here 0. It means what? Both are the factors of 135. So 5 27s are 135. As 5 is prime number, so stop here, but expand this 27. So 27 we cannot divide with 5, but we know that it is divisible by 3 and 3 is a prime number. We can take 9 also. 9 is a, so 3 9s are 9 is a you can take. Here it is prime number, stop. If you take 9 here, no problem, you can take 3 here, and here you can spread 9. So prime now 9 we will spread. 9 1s are 9, but you should not take 1 because we will get again 9. So 3 3s are 9. Try to take prime numbers. So both are prime, then you have to stop. So the prime factorization of 135 is take only prime numbers. Do not take this composite numbers. 5 into, you can write 3, these all 3 first and then 5. If you multiply these all, you must get 135. See, 3 3s are 9. Then 5 is a 15, and we know that 15 9s is 135. When you multiply the factors, you will get the original number.